This is one way I get into King Pigeon, or Eka Pada Raja Kapotasana. After warming up the appropriate body parts for a long period of time, I have comfortably found a one-leg pigeon with my right butt cheek on the floor, left leg straight back, not sitting toward the inner knee. Square the hips toward the front of the mat. Puff out my chest. And then lift the back foot and try not to roll to the right butt cheek. So lift the foot straight back behind. Start holding the outside of the foot with your hand and then walk your fingers over the top of the toes to the inside of the foot, putting a bend in the elbow. And then you can pull the foot towards you. And when I flip the grip, I like to take my hand like this, bring the elbow in toward the waist, forward and up. And then I'm just holding the big toe with my middle and third finger. And I turn to face the front of the mat, and at the same time, bring the upper arm in toward my ear. And then reach up with the other hand, grab the foot, and then reposition my left hand. Grab a hold tight. Keep facing the short end of the mat, and then bring the head back. So the crown of the head is sitting in the sole of the foot. Release slowly with control. Give your spine a break from the back bend. From the back, hips squared to the short end of the mat. Bend the right knee, reach back and grab the outside of the foot. Walk fingers over the top of the toes to the inside of the foot, bending the elbow. Pull the foot in toward your waist. Keep aiming to square the hips to the short end of the mat. And then take your elbow in toward the waist, forward and up, holding on to the big toe with the middle finger. Square again. Reach up with the left hand, grab the foot, reposition the right hand, hold on to the foot, look up and back, bring the crown of the head to the sole of the foot. Elbows hugging in.